Want to know how to set up your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 with your Android phone? For that, you only need the DJI Mimo app to get started. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect and set up your Pocket with the Mimo app on Android. So let's begin. First, go to Play Store from your Android phone. Then search DJI Mimo. Now download and install the latest version of the official DJI Mimo app. Then tap Open. Make sure that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your Android phone. Next, agree app's terms of use. Then tap on Join Project. Now it will load resources files. After that, tap on camera icon. Tap and end up all the tutorial mode. Then power on your camera. Next, tap on the camera icon on DJI Mimo app. Then allow all the accesses. Then again, tap on the camera icon. Again, allow all accesses. And again, tap on the camera icon. Then we'll start to searching your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Tap Connect. Now tap Accept from your Pocket 3 camera. And there you have it. Your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera is connected with your Android phone. Here you can see your files that you recorded using your camera. If you tap on the camera icon, you can see live view from the camera. Here you will get virtual joystick to move the gimbal. If you tap on the red record button, it will start to record. You can change camera mode from here, like video, photo, panorama, etc. And that's it. This is how you can connect and set up your Pocket with the Mimo app on Android. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any other questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.